I'm Sergio Ramirez,
I'm Isaiah Archuleta.
and this is the control, speed, and collision prevention for our project for ME210. Overview of the project. Primary objective: can change to desired speed anytime with IR remote. Robot awaits for the command once turned on until you select the desired speed 1 through 3, 1 being the slowest, 3 being the fastest. Secondary objective is collision avoidance with ultrasonic sensor.
Here we have our equipment list. This includes the Aligu Smart Robot Car, and we also have listed the main parts which we use, which include the microcontroller, the ultrasonic sensor, the IR remote, and the infrared receiver. Here we have the schematic and circuit diagram. This shows the main parts being used in this project. The IR remote is used to send a command to the IR receiver. Then the IR receiver sends a command to the expansion board and microcontroller, which then leads to a change of speed. The other part shown is the ultrasonic sensor, which is used by the robot to avoid collision. And Sergio is going to go into more depth about this process with our flowchart.
Here we have our flowchart. As you can see, it starts when you turn the power on for a robot. After being powered on, the robot just scans and waits for a command until you select the desired speed 1 through 3, 1 being the slowest, 3 being the fastest. After this, it'll scan for obstacles using the ultrasonic sensor. If there's an object within 30 centimeters, it will back up 12 inches, scan, and turn the direction with the greatest distance. If there's no object within 30 centimeters, as you can see, it'll move forward at a constant speed and loop back around to the beginning where it's just scanning for obstacles with the ultrasonic sensor again. Here you'll see the video showing the robot doing as we coded it to do, but I'll just like to note that in the video, the robot's just moving back and forth, and we're unsure as to why. We went to the Aggie Innovative Space and got our code checked, and we ran a couple attempts there, and they couldn't find anything wrong with our code. And the conclusion we came up to was that our sensor must have been off because it wouldn't rotate a full 180 degrees. It left out about 60 degrees to the right side of the robot, and so we kind of figured that has something to do with it. But this video shows that we could switch the speeds clearly from 1 through 3 and using the IR remote.